Good day guys. Quickly, this is my first video here on YouTube, and I'll be teaching you guys on how you can maybe trade Quasimodo in the right way, in a higher probable mode. So firstly, you have to identify the bigger time frame order flow or structure and go in line with it, because not every QML is a valid QML that you should take it and trade from it. It has to, the ones that are high probable are the ones that are in line with the higher time frame order flow or higher time frame structure. So which I believe later on in this channel I will teach you guys on how to go on with identify the right structure, and also the order flow in bigger time frames. So smaller time frames, we just use them to get right entries so that we can swing or we can hold with the higher time frame structure or order flow. So first thing that you have to do, let's say in here, because for me on GU and EU I'm bullish, so it means I am expecting only buy setup. The only, not that you won't get sell setup, you will get them, but those ones are not really high probable. Anything can happen there. So but you want to position yourself in the right side of the market, or the only setup that are high probable are, it will only be buying opportunities in line with the bigger time frame order flow. So as you can see here, GU I'm bullish, as I said. So you have to wait for you go to smaller time frame, lower time frame, and wait for market to do what, to shift bearish. So when market shift bearish, as you can see that like it breaks the lows here and everything, so some will be drawing these zones saying, market will reverse here because we have switched to bearish. The structure is bearish now. Sales are coming in the market, but smaller time frame, lower time frame, or lower time frame structure doesn't hold that much unless if it's in line with the bigger structure. So that is why, as you can see, this didn't work. Price just kept on taking this out. It means if you're putting limits there, you're in loss this week. It was very bad week, to be a very bad week for you. So even here we had something like Quasimodo here, so it means if you try to take this, could have slapped you in the face. So first thing that you have to do, let's say you analyze, maybe you understand a structure and order flow that is bullish now, then you wait for smaller time frame like M30, M15, M5 to switch to bearish in a bullish order flow. Then after that you wait for smaller time frame to shift again into bullish structure or bullish order flow, smaller time frame. Then when it does that, then that's when you wait for setups. According to, if you will be trading Quasimodo, you will be waiting for QMLs that are for buys, bullish QMLs. So those ones will be the ones that you'll be interested to take, because they will be high probable. Like it will just be they will be high probable. You just set your limits or you just execute straight. So it depends on what you prefer, whether you want to wait for confirmation or candlestick rejection from that level, or you just put limits, buy limits or sell limits. Then you set your stop losses, because all the time you have to trade with stop losses, because there's nothing is guaranteed in the market, so we are just speculators. So as you can see here on GU, because I don't want this video to be long, you can see that price was just heavily bearish in here, breaking the lows. Then this week or this day we saw that market did what, it shifted bullish. So when it shifted bullish, it didn't just come straight away. You see, it didn't just come straight away. it took time, it was consolidating, and as you can see it printed a QML level here, for the fact that, because this is not a head and shoulder, for the fact that this low had momentum to break this, it validates this level as QML. So, and to make it even more powerful, it also left MPL here, demand, which we're gonna be using it for taking entry. So if you prefer, you don't want to take this, you can put it like this as a basic QML, put stop loss below, it will still be fine. But if you want to refine it even much better, you can put it here, put limits here, and put stop loss at least a few pips below, or even here, but the safest one, it is here. So then you can see, since we are in a bullish market trend or order flow, it means all highs, like the highs are very weak. So it means when market taps here, is gonna run every high. So it means this is where you can get confidence to do what to hold. So you can see here that we had a QML. This is a QML. Someone can still come here and draw it like this, and say market is gonna come and reverse here because this is a QML. There's nothing wrong with that, but there's a lot of wrongs for you for doing that, because you are right, this is a QML, but the structure of the order flow is bullish. So it means this QML, as you can see, market just kept on pushing higher until it even took this high. So it took this high, this QML, it means, let's say, let's do it like this, unless you want to use it as a QMTR, which I'm gonna teach it later in this channel. So you can see that market just straight away slashed it, because they were targeting this high. So all highs, every high, it is very weak now. So we believe and we know that the market is gonna keep taking those highs and protecting what, the lows. So these lows are protected. It means even if you want to continue with the order flow of the market, you can still come here and say, because these are very strong demands, which you believe that the market will respect. But this is not a signal, this is not a financial advice. So it's just my idea. So we can see that even here we had a small QML here which has got demand. You can still come here and do it like this, you see. So this will be a high probable setup for you, because it's in line, even if it doesn't work. But in most cases, if you take setups like this, you'll enjoy, market most of the time it will respect these levels, because they are in line with the bigger structure, with the order flow of the market. Are you getting me? So this is a QML, it has got MPL, it has got this dodgy candle. So I have marked it like this. Don't be confused of know why there's a line here and there's, it's fine. It's either you can if maybe you want to do this on your demo, because I don't advise you to do it on your real accounts. You can just, when market comes here, hit it. When it comes here, put your limit here, or even here, or maybe if you prefer, you believe that it's gonna tap even deeper to touch this level, you can put it here, maybe stop loss here. It will be high probable, you see. So but market is always right, not us. So anything can happen here. Yeah, but as I said, I'm very much bullish on GU. So this is the right way to trade QML. So what you have to do, because right now, as you can see, market is what, it has switched in a bullish order flow. Market has switched to what, to bearish now, because it's breaking. You can see that this is a bearish structure or bearish order flow in M30. So it means this low is very weak. It can still go for market to come and tap here. So meaning it will be something like this. If we have to, if we try to speculate. So this is what I'll be looking at. So but there'll be a lot of confirmation that there are a lot of confirmation that I look for before I enter a trade. So meaning I'll have to dive into smaller time frame and check for something else there before I can validate that this, and when market is here to validate that this is a good trade to, this is a good area to take the trade. But if I don't get those confirmation, it means there's nothing, I'm not taking any trade. You just leave it like that. So I hope guys you find this insightful, and please subscribe to grow my channel. And yeah, I'm still gonna upload a lot of videos which I believe they will be helpful to your trading journey. So yeah, so as I said, the key thing, check the higher time frame order flow. Second thing, go to smaller time frame, wait for smaller time frame to switch to the opposite of the higher time frame order flow. Then after that, wait for it to shift again. Then after that, you can start to look for your Quasimodo QMLs or whatever pattern that you're looking at. Then after that, you can see that, like, you can just see how powerful this entry was. This is actually into, like, you could have capitalized a lot, could have capitalized a lot in this trade, you see. So it's always like that. So it doesn't mean that if market is just aggressively pushing down like this, it means now we are bearish because you see low goes and everything. No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. So yeah, so I'm out guys, peace.